To kick off today's recipes, we're starting with Vietnamese spring roll salad. First on the list is to boil shrimp.
Perfect. So we have our shrimp thawed and the tail is pulled off, and then the water is already boiling with just a little bit of salt. So we're gonna go ahead and add them. We are going to squeeze the lime and get fresh lime juice. We need a tablespoon. I'm gonna add this tablespoon of lime juice to our bowl, and then a third of a cup of peanut butter, a tablespoon of brown sugar, ginger and the garlic powder, tablespoon of soy sauce, and last I have a half a cup of hot water, and we're going to add it in thirds. So we'll do a third of it up front and then just mix it really well. I'm going to begin to prepare the ingredients to layer in the salad, starting with cilantro, and we need a fourth of a cup. Up next is the green onion, and we have 3 stalks. We are going to shred 3/4 cup of carrots. It's the final ingredient to be cut up, and it is the cucumbers.
Now that we have everything chopped up, it is time to mix it all together in our bed of shredded lettuce. We're going to start with everything green and put our cilantro in there.
And then our green onions, our mint. You want to mix it?
Sure.
Awesome. Then the shrimp.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, it does look like the inside of a spring roll now.
It does, it does. It's all kind of coming together.
This one's colorful. And now the part that we have been smelling this whole time, that peanut sauce. Oh wow. That is a lot of peanut sauce. And our favorite part.
Taste test. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything.
As I was gonna say, how do you know what to get? You can't fit it all. I really like that the peanut sauce was watery enough that it covers everything in the bowl.
Yeah, it's not dry.
It's not dry at all.
It's got a really cool consistency.
It does.
To it. If you want Vietnamese food but don't want the noodles or the fried food, this is a perfect opportunity to get your craving in, because this is really good and pretty healthy too, right?
Very healthy
and easy. Yeah. We are doing a Mexican corn pasta salad. And I'm gonna tell you, everything about this sounds fantastic, and it's definitely going to be a hit at your next potluck.
We are gonna get started by going ahead and cooking 3 cups of rotini pasta. So we've got our noodles all cooked, and then we rinse them in cold water. So up next, we are going to add our green onions, cilantro, red bell pepper, a can of whole corn drained, and then a can of black beans drained.
Okay.
Now we are going to make the dressing. So up first, we have a cup of Hellmann's mayo.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then now a half a cup of salsa. A teaspoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. A teaspoon of garlic salt, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and 2 teaspoons of ground cumin.
And we stir.
And now we eat.
Okay. I'm waiting on you. I love pasta.
I do too.
And I love Mexican, and this blends perfectly.
It does.
It gives both sides of those taste buds
Yes.
something.
And I think that the flavors are as vibrant as the colors of the dish.
Absolutely. For our gluten-free friends, I would try this with chickpeas pasta. I think it would be really good option for a pasta dish.
I do too. I really like it. It feels so fresh.
And if you threw it in the fridge for a couple hours, it would be even colder.
Yes.
Yeah. I think as I continue eating, I think this would be a big hit for your next potluck.
I do too. Let's do the next one.
All right.
Now we have the cranberry salad, and this is more like a dessert recipe. It was in Arkansas Living Magazine and submitted by Shelley Lowe from South Central Electric Cooperative. So up first, we are going to add a cherry, the bigger size of the cherry gelatin mixture, into boiling water. Ooh.
That already smells amazing.
It does.
Ooh, and strong.
That does sound strong. Okay, we have it mixed up. And then do you want to add the cranberry sauce?
Yes.
We have, we're gonna do like a can and a half. And we got the whole cranberry sauce. We're gonna do 20 ounces of it. We have let the Jell-O sit up for an hour and a half in the fridge, and now we are going to add the halved grapes. That's a funny word to say.
It is. That I've been snacking on for a while, so it's good that it's finally going in.
Going away, yeah. And then the chopped pecans. So go ahead and add the grapes. And it landed on top of the Jell-O.
It is Jell-O. And then our chopped pecans.
Perfect. And mix.
The final taste test. Yeah, that's good.
That is good.
My kind of dessert.
It's very sweet, but it's not too sweet.
It's not. It's really, really not.
Warm weather dessert.
The cherry cranberry combo.
It's nice.
It's nice. It's different, and I don't quite know how to explain it. But it tastes like the inside of a pie.
It does.
It tastes like pie
It definitely
filling.
does. Like
Which is a good thing.
a jelly-like pie filling.
I'm going for a second bite, so.